listen and look to find what's there at the animal fair. What's that noise? Look, sis. It's a seal.
All aboard!
I like the seal sound, but wish an elephant's what I found. Let's listen and look to find what's there. All kinds of animals. Great big animals at the animal fair. Ooh, what's that noise? It's a lion. But where's the elephant? What's that noise? It's a bird.
All aboard!
Lions and birds are fun, but they're not the great big ones. Let's listen and look to find what's there. Elephant, elephant, where's the big elephant? At the animal fair. What's that noise? It's an elephant. She's so big. Oh, Froggy, you found her.